Let's meet some of the cutest and coolest animals of Australia together. Here's a snappy crocodile. Crocodile has a big mouth and loves to swim. Cockatoo. Here's a cockatoo. Cockatoo has a big yellow feather. Budgie. Here's a budgie. Budgies can copy sounds and even learn to say words. Hop hop. That's a rabbit. Rabbit has long ears and love to munch on carrots. Kangaroo. Here's a kangaroo. Kangaroos love to hop, hop, hop with their strong legs. Sparrow. Here's a sparrow. Sparrows live near people and build nests in little nooks. Kookaburra. Here's a kookaburra. Kookaburra's laugh is so silly. Hare. Here's an hare. Hares can jump really far and don't live in burrows like rabbits. Echidna. That's an echidna. Echidnas have no teeth, but they use a long sticky tongue to catch bugs. Quokka. Here's a quokka. Quokkas are always smiling and they're only found in Australia. Tasmanian devil. It's a Tasmanian devil. Tasmanian devils make silly screeches and love to explore at night. Koala. It's a koala. Sleepy koala hugs the tree and snoozes all day. Bilby. That's a bilby. They have big ears. Dingo. Here's a dingo. Dingoes are wild dogs from Australia. Crow. Here's a crow. Crows are clever and love to hop and fly around looking for shiny things. Pink cockatoo. Here's a pink cockatoo. They are very social. Cassowary. Here's a cassowary. They can run really fast. Here's a kangaroo with its baby Jory. Kangaroos use their big tails to balance while hopping super high and far. Platypus. Here's a platypus. Platypus has a duck bill, webbed feet, and love to swim. Here's a frill-necked lizard. When scared, this lizard pops out of its frilly color and runs like a dinosaur. Tawny dragon. Here's a tawny dragon. It has spiky scales and looks like a tiny dinosaur. Koala. Here's a koala. Koala sleeps up to 18 hours a day because they eat lots of leaves and that don't give them much energy. Emu. That's an emu. Emu is a giant bird that runs super fast instead of flying. Saltwater crocodile. Saltwater crocodile is the biggest and scariest crocodile and it can swim in both salt and fresh water. I hope you all had fun learning about the Australian animals. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye.